Hello students, this is NCERT Maths class 10th exercise 3.1 question number 1. The question is, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Then represent this situation algebraically as well as graphically. So first let's see algebraically. For this, let present age of Aftab let present age of present age of Aftab equals to x years and present age of his daughter equals to y years. So 7 years ago, first situation is for 7 years ago, age of Aftab equals to x minus 7 years and age of daughter equals to y minus 7 years. So according to question, x minus 7 equals to 7 times y minus 7. So here we get x minus 7y equals to minus 42. Again the second situation is for after 3 years. So after 3 years age of Aftab equals to x plus 3 years and age of his daughter equals to y plus 3 years. Again according to question, x plus 3 equals to 3 times y plus 3. So here we get x minus 3y equals to 6. So algebraically we can represent the situation as x minus 3y equals to 6 and x minus 7y equals to minus 42. That is the answer. Now see the situation graphically. So we have to draw graph of these two equations. That is for first equation, x minus 7y equals to minus 42. Make a table for x and y to draw graph for x and y. If we put x equals to 0, then we get y equals to 6. If we put x equals to minus 7, then we will get y is 5. And similarly, for second equation, x minus 3y equals to 6. Make another table for x and y. If we put x equals to 0, then we get y equals to minus 2. If we put x equals to minus 3, then we will get y equals to minus 3 also. Now with the help of this point, draw a graph. So first point is 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is this point 0, 6. Again we need minus 7, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, 5. So we get minus 7, 5. Now draw a straight line joining these two points. Similarly, for second equation, we need 0, minus 2, that is minus 1, minus 2. So one point is here. this, that is 0 comma minus 2, and second point is minus 3 comma minus 3. So minus 3 comma minus 3 will be here, minus 3 comma minus 3. Let's draw another line.